Hello everyone, welcome to the DASHCAM teacher. Today, we are going to look at some crashes, road rage, and some idiots driving cars. So grab your favorite snack and get ready. I hope you enjoy.
Wiped out, remember, back in March. Looking back at it all, she knows she did this to herself, that she's responsible. But Bachman also thinks the casinos knew what she was doing better than she did, that they sat back and watched it happen. That's why she sued. Because of the terms of the settlement, Bachman and Caesar... United States and this honorable court.
And last week, they handed down their ruling in the Bridgegate appeal. They decided to overturn the case. The justices said that it's true that Kelly and Brownie had misused public resources. Amelia, are you okay?
Are you okay?
You're gonna have a spicy donut? Oh! It's an accident. Hang on. Call 911.
Oh shit! Can
6:59.
To every weekday morning, and you'll catch us talking about the top headlines, pop culture, music, and a bunch of other stuff.
This week, we're also going to talk to author and intimacy expert Shan Boudram. Shan describes herself as Dr. Ruth meets Rihanna. Ooh, I love that
What a
mix.
collab, for real.
Yes. She's going to stop by and she's going to talk to us about some of the most important relationships of our lives.
Uh-oh.
grab a rope.
Thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Oh, and take a look at these two videos. Maybe you like them.